Are you curious about why short ribs on the bone have become a culinary favorite? Today, we're diving deep into how these flavorful cuts offer an unparalleled eating experience. Short ribs come from the brisket, chuck, plate, or rib areas of beef cattle. They consist of a short portion of the rib bone and surrounding meat, varying in thickness. There are two main cuts: flanken, cut across the bone, leaving it less than 2 inches long, and English, cut parallel to the bone. Both offer different textures but share rich flavors. Bone-in, short ribs allow bone marrow and collagen to infuse the meat during braising, enhancing flavor and tenderness. Boneless cuts ensure moistness but miss out on this unique infusion. Short ribs are a staple in Cambridge is Nick infusion. Short ribs are a staple in American, Korean, and Italian cuisines due to their rich, succulent meat. The fat content adds depth of flavor during cooking. Versatility is a key attribute. Short ribs can be braised, roasted, smoked, or grilled. Each method brings out different aspects of the meat's flavor and texture. In conclusion, short ribs on the bone offer a unique combination of flavors and textures that can't be replicated by their boneless counterparts. Their culinary benefits make them an exceptional choice for beef lovers. Which cooking method do you prefer for short ribs? Share your favorite recipes in the comments below, and let's explore more culinary delights together.